Imagine staring into the night sky and discovering something that seems impossible. A nebula that appears to be older than the universe itself. How could that be? Isn't the universe the oldest thing there is? Scientists have spent decades measuring the age of the cosmos, placing it around 13.8 billion years. And yet, here we are, facing a mysterious cloud of gas and dust whose properties suggest it predates everything we know. This isn't science fiction. This is a real cosmic puzzle that has astrophysicists scratching their heads and questioning some of the most fundamental truths about time, space, and creation itself. The nebula we're talking about isn't just unusual, it's defiant. Its radiation signature, chemical composition, and apparent distance make it seem far more ancient than our current models can explain. It's like finding the ruins of a city that was built before the Earth even formed. So, how is that possible? Did we get the age of the universe wrong? Is there a flaw in the tools we trust to map space and time? Or could this be evidence of something even more profound? Something that changes our understanding of reality itself? In this video, we'll explore how this nebula was discovered, what makes it seem so impossibly old, what scientists believe might be going on, and how this could rewrite what we think we know about the birth of the universe. The nebula in question is officially known as HD1, and it's not just another beautiful cloud hanging in deep space. Located over 13.3 billion light-years away, HD1 is one of the most distant objects ever observed by humanity. So distant, in fact, that its light began traveling toward us when the universe was just around 300 million years old. That alone makes it special. But what truly stunned astronomers wasn't just its location. It was how bright and developed it appeared to be at such an early stage in the universe's life. That didn't make sense. How could such a luminous, complex structure exist when stars were only beginning to form? HD1 was discovered using a combination of ground-based telescopes and powerful space observatories, including the Subaru telescope in Hawaii and the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array in Chile. At first, researchers believed they were looking at a distant galaxy. But as data poured in, the numbers didn't add up. The light was too strong. Its redshift, the stretching of its light due to cosmic expansion, suggested it might even predate known galaxies. That's when things got weird. Some scientists proposed that HD1 could be forming stars at an extraordinary rate. Over 100 times faster than the Milky Way. Others suggested it might be home to a supermassive black hole far earlier than we thought such giants could form. Either way, the discovery marked a cosmic first. Never before had we seen something so ancient, so bright, and so enigmatic, raising more questions than answers and challenging the very limits of our cosmic understanding. At first glance, HD1 appears to be a nebula, an immense glowing cloud of gas and dust, but it's so far away and so ancient that it might actually represent something we've never clearly seen before, a hybrid object from the dawn of the universe. Scientists believe that HD1 might be a protogalaxy, forming in the very early universe, possibly filled with population 3 stars, the very first stars to ever exist. These stars would have been massive, incredibly hot, and lived extremely short lives. Unlike stars we see today, they formed without any metals, because the universe hadn't had time to create heavier elements through fusion and supernova explosions yet. These first stars burned through their fuel rapidly, ending their lives in violent explosions, seeding the cosmos with the elements needed for future generations of stars, planets, and even life. HD1's intense brightness could mean it's packed with these stars, which were thought to be too ancient and short-lived for us to ever detect directly. Or it could be hiding a massive black hole, one growing at a rate that shouldn't be possible so soon after the Big Bang. Either explanation defies our current models of cosmic evolution. To investigate this mystery, Astronomers turned to powerful instruments like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Spitzer Space Telescope to study HD1's faint glow. More recently, the James Webb Space Telescope has begun probing even deeper into its spectrum, trying to decode the ancient light that's taken over 13 billion years to reach us. Observatories like ALMA and the Vista survey in Chile helped confirm HD1's extreme redshift, placing it at a time when the universe was less than 3% of its current age. This behavior, being so bright, so early, suggests that something profound is happening. It's as if we're seeing the universe break its own rules. Either we've discovered the earliest burst of star formation ever seen, or we're looking at a black hole that formed impossibly fast. Both scenarios would require us to rewrite key parts of cosmology. HD1 isn't just a distant object. It's a clue, a challenge, a whisper from the universe's mysterious childhood telling us we still have so much to learn. What makes HD1 even more mind-bending is the fact that we're not seeing it as it is now. We're seeing it as it was over 13.5 billion years ago. The light from this object has been traveling toward us since the universe was only about 300 million years old. So whatever happened there, whether it was a massive starburst or the furious feeding of a black hole, it already occurred eons ago. From our perspective, it's ancient history unfolding in real time. That's the strange magic of astronomy. Every observation is a glimpse into the past. If HD1 is home to some of the universe's very first supernovae, their explosive light may just now be reaching us. Or, if a massive black hole was already devouring material with furious energy back then, the echoes of that feeding frenzy are only now visible. So, in a way, we're not waiting for an event to happen. We're slowly catching up to the cosmic fireworks show that already began before Earth even existed. If an explosion were bright enough, and some early supernovae likely were, it could rival the brightness of the full moon, even outshining stars in broad daylight. Ancient records from civilizations like the Chinese and Romans mention stars suddenly appearing in the sky for weeks. These could have been supernovae. HD1, though far beyond what the naked eye can see, hints at similar dramatic events, only on a scale we've never witnessed. We're tuning into a cosmic replay of the universe's earliest moments, and with each new photon that arrives, we inch closer to understanding how it all began. Imagine stepping outside on a clear night, looking up to see a sudden dazzling light blazing in the sky, brighter than any star, brighter even than Venus or Jupiter at their peak. This explosion, a colossal supernova from an ancient star, would flood the heavens with a brilliant glow, so intense it might be visible even during the day. For weeks, maybe months, this cosmic beacon would captivate the entire world. Its light, traveling across continents and oceans, uniting all of humanity in awe. The brightness would be staggering, a celestial firework far more powerful than anything we have ever witnessed in recorded history. Its radiance could rival that of the full moon, casting shadows and illuminating the night as if it were twilight. From bustling cities to remote villages, people everywhere would witness this spectacular cosmic event with the naked eye. No telescope needed. But beyond the sheer spectacle, this supernova carries profound emotional weight. It marks a rare, once-in-a-civilization moment, reminding us of our tiny place in the vast universe. It's a farewell from a star that lived billions of years before us, whose death sows the seeds for new stars, planets, and perhaps life itself. Watching this explosion unfold, we feel a deep connection to the cosmos, a shared story written across time and space. It's a humbling, beautiful reminder that we are part of something far greater than ourselves, witnessing the universe's endless cycle of birth, death, and rebirth. This supernova is more than just a brilliant light show. It's a treasure trove for scientists eager to understand the very building blocks of our universe. When massive stars explode, they forge and scatter the heaviest elements known to us: gold, platinum, uranium, and many others essential to everything on Earth. These explosions act like cosmic forges, creating and spreading the raw materials that eventually form planets, moons, and even life itself. In fact, every atom in our bodies, from the iron in our blood to the calcium in our bones, was once forged inside stars much like this one. When they reach the end of their lives and explode, they scatter these vital elements across space, seeding future generations of stars and planets. This cosmic recycling is a grand process, connecting us intimately to the life cycle of the stars. By studying this supernova, scientists can learn more about the extreme conditions that create these precious elements, helping us understand how the universe evolved chemically over billions of years. It also gives us a glimpse into the fate of other massive stars like Antares or VY Canis Majoris, some of the largest and most luminous stars we know. Observing this event offers a rare opportunity to witness firsthand the processes shaping our cosmic environment, deepening our appreciation for the universe's complexity and our own origins. While the idea of a massive star exploding so spectacularly might sound frightening, we can breathe easy knowing Earth is safe from any real harm. This supernova is far enough away that its powerful energy won't directly affect our planet. At most, we might see some beautiful atmospheric effects, like enhanced auroras. Nature's colorful light shows dancing in the sky, and a slight increase in ionization in the upper atmosphere, but these are harmless and actually quite fascinating to observe. Thanks to advanced technology, scientists have an early warning system in place. Neutrino detectors, spread around the world, can sense the invisible particles emitted from a star's core collapse long before the explosion's light reaches us. This means astronomers can alert us in advance, giving us time to prepare and observe this cosmic event safely. So, while this supernova is a dramatic and awe-inspiring phenomenon, it poses no threat to our world, only a spectacular show to witness and study. We're witnessing the final breath of a giant, a farewell, millions of years in the making. This nebula, older than the universe itself, challenges everything we thought we knew about time and space. It reminds us just how mysterious and vast the cosmos truly is. When we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing distant lights. We are seeing the echoes of ancient stories, cosmic secrets waiting to be unraveled. In the grand scale of time, a single human life is but a fleeting moment. Yet here we are, able to witness such incredible phenomena. It's a humbling and inspiring reminder that the universe is full of hidden wonders, many still beyond our understanding. As we continue our journey of discovery, let us keep our eyes on the stars, our minds open to the unknown, and our hearts filled with wonder. The cosmos is inviting us to explore, to question, and to dream. So next time you gaze into the night, remember, we are part of this vast cosmic story, connected to the stars and nebulae that have shaped our very existence. And somewhere out there, more mysteries await, ready to change how we see ourselves and the universe forever. We're witnessing the final breath of a giant, a farewell millions of years in the making. This nebula, older than the universe itself, challenges everything we thought we knew about time and space. It reminds us just how mysterious and vast the cosmos truly is. When we look up at the night sky, we are not just seeing distant lights. We are seeing the echoes of ancient stories, cosmic secrets waiting to be unraveled. In the grand scale of time, a single human life is but a fleeting moment. Yet here we are, able to witness such incredible phenomena. It's a humbling and inspiring reminder that the universe is full of hidden wonders, many still beyond our understanding. As we continue our journey of discovery, let us keep our eyes on the stars, our minds open to the unknown, and our hearts filled with wonder. The cosmos is inviting us to explore, to question, and to dream. So next time you gaze into the night, remember, we are part of this vast cosmic story, connected to the stars and nebulae that have shaped our very existence. And somewhere out there, more mysteries await, ready to change how we see ourselves and the universe forever.